Beautiful large one bedroom with a balcony in Elmhurst. This is entrance. On the left is a coat closet, double door closet. This is the living room, a large living room, beautiful hardwood floors, high ceiling, lots of light during the day. Beautiful kitchen, a lot of cabinets, a lot of counter space. You can put a dining table here. 2 windows in the kitchen. Linen closet. It's the bedroom, a large bedroom. You can fit a king size or queen size bed with a dresser. It comes with 2 closets. It's connected. One here and one here. It's the balcony here. A beautiful view. That's more renovated, very clean, beautiful tiles. Beautiful apartment, elevator building, laundry in the building, near banks, restaurant, grocery shops, a few blocks from the train, and very close to Queen Center Mall. An apartment's very good price, gonna go very quick. If you want to view it, call me or text me so we can schedule a viewing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.